Yeah.
Tootsie.
Oh, Tootsie. Yay. It's good at her remote too. This one's nice. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Wendy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Cootie. Petey.
Actually, the other one, you know how you want to hook up your iPod? You have to have an adapter to do it. So that's why we got this one, because you can just do it right there.
Oh, cool.
The other one you have to put an adapter.
Yeah, this is cool. Yeah, I didn't know I picked up much.
I know, but the lady was explaining it, so well, then we'll take this one.
Yeah, I
That
like
way
this
you
a
don't have
lot. Thank you. I'm excited.
Tootsie's excited.
I know.
I did this last night.
Yeah, I wrote your name on the back. I'm pretty sure they were distributed correctly. Don't look at the boxes, they're just boxes.
Oh, Tootsie, what is it?
I never look at the boxes.
We had Charlie Brown.
It matches your bag, your doggy bag.
Huh?
Yes.
Did you get to get a doggy bag?
Yeah,
Yep.
where's her little case?
You can
You
get it?
can't hit a golf ball. The hybrids go better. The
What
hybrids
is
go
that?
better.
You got
You got golf set.
nice.
You haven't seen me golf?
Learn beginner golf clubs.
Not seen you swing a baseball bat.
The hybrids are pretty good. I mean, okay. Shut up. They're better than different.
It was cute. We had two ones. This one got better. Thank you.
You get what?